Print more, spend less. Saving you money on all your 3D printing needs. 3D printing is a craft. You need the best tools to master it. Print more, spend less. Craft Unique manufactures affordable, high-quality 3D printing products, both for beginners and advanced users. Craftware 3D printing software with its cutting-edge slicing algorithm is fast, easy to use, and best of all, 100% free. No assembly required for the CraftBot Plus 3D printer, awarded Best Plug and Play of 2018. This entry-level 3D printer was created by experienced engineers who focused on rapid acceleration for faster printing. Discover accuracy and high quality in every detail of what you create with CraftBot 3D printers. Its high-tech, industrial design with eye-catching colors makes the CraftBot Plus an attractive addition to any room or workspace. CraftBot brings the future of technology for all manufacturing into your home for everyone to learn and understand. For anyone requiring a larger build volume, the CraftBot XL is the ultimate tool. Custom firmware and hardware, a heatable, removable build platform, interactive printing, Wi-Fi connectivity, with 50-micron precision per layer, all make for outstanding results. CraftBot 3D filaments. ABS and PLA come in a wide range of colors, including various exotics like wood, bronze, copper, and gold. From jewelry to home decor to very functional product options, CraftBot gives you the freedom you need to create the designs you love. And Print More, Spend Less delivers all Craft Unique 3D products to you for less, much less. Print more, spend less.